Yes, Amita. In fact, it is 7 a.m. and you can see here that the voters have started to throng this particular polling booth, which is in Kavinagar in Ghaziabad. This is a central area in Ghaziabad, and you can see here, I request my camera person to pan around and show you here the visuals as well. People have started to throng here in large numbers. In fact, the BJP candidate Atul Garg has just casted his vote a few seconds ago. In fact, other people have also started coming here in a few seconds, in some time, but also now.
Right given by our constitution to choose whatever candidate from whichever party he or she is to govern us. Therefore, today is a very happy day. Today is a day when we should all be enthusiastic to exercise that power. Thank you.
This is co-founder there, N.R. Narayana Murthy there, who has been making that appeal to come out to the people to vote in large numbers. Of course, today is the day that is being celebrated as the festival of democracy. Prime Minister Modi also making that fervent appeal there. But in the meantime, Ghaziabad की अगर बात करते हुए अगर आप ईशा कुछ लोगों से भी पूछ पाए, क्योंकि आपने बताया कि जिस तरीके की अब जो सिटिंग एमएलए उन्हें टिकट दी गई है बीजेपी की तरफ से चुनाव लड़ने के लिए. Isha, can you hear me?
Yes, Amita, in fact, currently we are at the Ghaziabad polling station. This is in Kavinagar where the polling has begun. In fact, the BJP candidate Atul Garg also just casted his vote. And in fact, I'll show you around here the visuals. There is a lot of hustle and bustle here. People have begun to come in here in large numbers. In fact, we also see that Atul Garg's wife has also come in here. But also now, let us also get a sense of how this particular polling station is panning out that side as well. The police is making sure that everything is set in order, and senior citizens have started to come in at 7 a.m. They are here. They're one of the first voters here. Ma'am, आप वोट करने आई हैं. आपके क्या मेन मुद्दे रहेंगे वोट करने के लिए?
गवर्नमेंट अच्छी चले.
तो आप क्या देखती हैं, क्या आगे देखना चाहती हैं अपनी सरकार में?
Reaction is